music, history, art. There are numerous insights and clues into culture for curious travelers, but few are more pleasurable to explore than food, and on the Caribbean island of Puerto Rico, perhaps even more so. Puerto Rico's culture and gastronomy combine elements of indigenous Taino, African, European, Caribbean, and North American for a mixture of influences that is unique, fascinating, and most notably, delicious. By now, you likely know that I'm not an expert on gastronomy, but that hasn't stopped me before, and it's not going to stop me now. It shouldn't you either. Come on, we can diet later. Loosen your belt and make some room. You're gonna need it. It's time for raw travel and a taste of Puerto Rico. Travel. For some, it's a luxurious escape, or maybe an adrenaline-filled adventure. But if you're like me, it's a precious opportunity to discover and to give back. It's time to get real. It's time to get raw. It's time for raw travel.